This is really easy because this clock is powered by this power line. So all you have to do is connect this power line to the clock, and then you can repair it. For soldering, it's always this one, the most right leg of chip that's making problem. As you can see, I try to solder the bottom and the top, and that's it. But anyway, it's very easy. So if you want to know if you soldered well, all you have to do is just to connect this power line to the back of this LCD clock, and it should light up as soon as you turn your key. You can see that it's shut off. Now it's 100%. Okay, if you turn on the key and the LCD clock doesn't work, then it's faulty. All you have to do is take it apart. Look at my other videos. Take it apart, solder this foot and this foot, and you're fine. You know, somehow these soldering gets loose as the car shakes over time. That's why you lose the connectivity in this foot, in this chip, and that's why the clock doesn't work. Now it's 100% work. Look, shut off, turn back on, shut off, turn back on, shut off, turn back on. You know, 100% of the time. It should work 100% of the time. Turn on, shut off. Okay? So, in a second, I'll show you. It's very easy. All you have to do is just solder this. Take it apart, solder this. The way to disconnect power cable from the LCD clock is very easy. Just press the bottom of this power line, and then you can pull the little clip. You just have to press it down on the bottom of this power line, and it will let you pull this clock out of here. Very easy. Now I'm going to show you how to put this clock back. These two are the button to adjust the clock. Okay, that's the rubber foot. So you need to put it like this. The long end go through the hole, okay? And then the short end, you put the rubber feet back in, okay? Then you turn your clock this way, and then the 4 clips on both sides, or 2 clips on both sides, you just line them up and then push it down. You hear a click, you snap this thing in. And so these 2 buttons are adjusting the minutes and the hour of this LCD clock. In a second, we're just gonna put the power plug back in here, and we're in business. You know, so very easy. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you. We need to put the LCD clock back into the base, and that's very easy too. Basically, this top hook go into there, and these 4 just line up to these 4 holes, and then you put the screw back in, and then you're in business. So the LCD clock is going back to the clock face, or the whatever, I guess the AC vent, by these 4 screws. That's how the LCD clock is fixed onto the car. As you can see, this is these 2 are the air conditioning holes to let the air conditioning out. So just lock these 4 holes, just screw these 4 holes to tighten the clock, and you know, we're in business. You know, so let's go. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And that's 4. Oh, I don't know why it's Yeah. It's supposed to go in flush. So these 4 screws, you want them to go in flush. You don't want them to go in as an angle. You know. So now all these 4 screws are in. All we have to do is push this back into the cable wire, and then push this back into the car dashboard, and that's it. We're in business. Okay, I just pushed the clock, pushed the cable in, and pushed this clock back into the dashboard. Now I'm turning the key. Clock should come back on, and just adjust the hour to the now time 6:30. So that's 6:30. Okay, 6:31. Shut off. Turn the key back on. It comes back 100% of the time. Let's hope the soldering this time is gonna last over a year, because this is ridiculous. I need to fix it every few months, which is really a pain in the neck. Luckily, I know how to fix it, so it's not a big issue. You know, so that's it. Okay, there you have it. Pathfinder LCD clock.